Hello dears, welcome back to our English grammar class. In the last class, we have discussed the 4 kinds of sentences. So today, at first, we are going to discuss about the different parts of a sentence. Yes, a sentence has 2 parts, the subject part and the predicate part. So, what is a subject and what is the predicate? The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject, and the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. Now, look at the example. The players are not tired. Here, the players is the subject part and are not tired is the predicate part. So, the subject and predicate together makes a sentence a complete one. Now, look at the examples. Come here. Don't talk. What kind of sentences are these? These are commands. Here, the subject is not mentioned. The subject is actually you. So we can read it as you come here. You don't talk. So you is the subject in these commands. That is understood. So whenever we are talking about commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned in the sentence, but it is understood. So that we have to keep it in our mind. Now look at the given sentences. Where is mother? Who are you? These are questions. What about the subject and predicate? In the first question, mother is the subject, and in the second question, you is the subject. So in a sentence, the subject usually comes before the predicate, but in questions, subjects comes after predicate. So, what all things we have learned now? A sentence has 2 parts, subject part and the predicate part. In commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned but implied. In questions and exclamatory sentences, predicates usually come before the subjects. Is it clear? Now look at the given sentences. Mother baked cakes and biscuits. Give me a cup of tea. We get medicines from plants. So we all knew that sentences are made up of words. These words belong to different classes or groups. These groups or classes are called parts of speech. So how many parts of speech we have and which are they? So, there are 8 parts of speech. And which are they? They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So, today we are going to discuss nouns in detail. So, what is a noun? The names of persons, animals, places and things are called nouns. Nouns are of 3 kinds. They are common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. Common nouns are names given to things, places, animals or people of the same kind. Example, girl, boy, city, country, river, etc. And proper nouns are names given to particular people, places, animals or things. Example, Rita, Mohan, India, Himalayas, etc. And collective nouns are names of groups of people, animals or things. Example, herd of cows, fleet of ships, a bouquet of flowers, a flock of sheep, etc. So, nouns are of 3 kinds. Now we talk about nouns number. That is, the two forms of nouns, that is singular nouns and plural nouns. That is, nouns which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular nouns. Example, pen, glass, toy, country, etc. And nouns which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural nouns. Example, pens, glasses, toys, countries, etc. Now look at the given set of words. Boy, brother, uncle, man. These are all nouns, but they all stand for male living beings. Now look at the next set of words. Girl, sister, aunt, woman, etc. These nouns stand for female living beings. So we are talking about nouns, gender. That is, a noun that stands for a male living being is said to be of the masculine gender, and a noun that stands for a female living being is said to be of the feminine gender. Now, what about these nouns? Pen, pencil, bat, ball, etc. All these nouns are non-living things, so they are neither male nor female. That is, a noun that stands for a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. And there are some nouns that we can use either for a male or for a female. A noun that can stand for either a male or for a female is said to be of the common gender. Example, student, player, classmate, child, teacher, friend. So, masculine, feminine, common and neuter are the four types of gender nouns in English. Now we are going to talk about nouns possession. To show possession or belonging, we add apostrophe s to singular and plural nouns not ending in s. For example, boy is a singular noun. We add apostrophe s, boys' toys. Children is a plural noun and we add apostrophe s, then children's books. And we add apostrophe, only apostrophe to singular and plural nouns ending in s. Example, fathers, that is a plural noun, then we add only apostrophe to make it Father's Day. Then Keats, Keats is the name of a poet, so it is a singular noun. We add only apostrophe because it ends with s. Keats' poem. So today we learned subject and predicate of a sentence, then noun, kinds of nouns, nouns number, nouns gender and nouns possession. So bye dears, we will meet in the next grammar class. Thank you all.